Welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys, how can we change phone sleep time in our Infinix phone. Guys, you want to change your phone sleep time. So friends, how can you change? In this video friends I am going to show you guys how to change phone sleep time in our Infinix phone. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So first of all guys we will on our phone setting to change phone sleep time, then guys scroll it. Sorry fans, I paused the video because of sound. So guys, now continue. So friends, you can set display brightness setting, fans tap here, and guys again scroll. Fans, you can choose screen timeout setting, fans tap here. Fans, you can change from here your phone sleep time. So example, however, we will change into 15 second, and friends, you can see guys your after 15 second, guys your phone screen will off automatic. So as you can change your phone sleep time like that. And before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Guys, don't touch anywhere on your screen. Then guys, your screen will off. Phone screen will sleep within 15 seconds. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Bye friends.